Welcome to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. This beautiful Mila floor plan is a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. For a limited time, almost 3,000 is offering interest rates as low as 4.99. In addition to this low interest rate, D.R. Horton is also paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing cost. This home features beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen and the baths, a beautiful tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances. One of my favorite features is this huge screened-in back porch off of the living room, the eat-in kitchen. Also have a private entrance from the primary suite to the screened-in back porch. This is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600. This home features a 3-car garage and it comes standard with a smart home package. You'll get a quick set smart code front door lock, a Sky doorbell, a Honeywell thermostat that you can control via your phone or tablet. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that saves you even more money on your homeowner's insurance. This home comes with a 1-year builder warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Call today for more details. I don't want you to miss this deal. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, FrankieWink 3600.